Hey, so we're building the wing walls for this a stone arch bridge that Dave's sitting on right now. This granite here, this arch, came from, we figured Dummerston, Vermont. There was a little blue granite quarry over there, and next to a white one actually. And so this stuff's pretty hard and rugged. What I'm doing is we've got this granite course of stone coming in, and we've got this interface where we've got this plane, which is straight up and down, coming into this plane, which, if you can imagine, is straight up and down, but it's also curving away. So we're having to really kind of step these coursings to kind of curve right in. What we've got is a nice long tie back here. That's going to come right in, bridge right over this. We've made a sort of a compound miter cut here so that it can fit right up against the existing arch. Try and flatten this a little bit, but can't really do too much to this. So we're working this stone, and then the meat back here will really just fit right back in there. Should be pretty awesome. Let's see if it worked. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that in about a foot where I was chiseling, it's kind of holding me out. I have a little bit of room here where I can push the face over that way and bring the rear of the stone back this way. I got to pay attention now, but I'll show you pictures later. Thanks.
Go ahead.
All right, so I just wanted to wrap up what we were talking about earlier about how we're interfacing one wall into the arch. So we've got these two planes that are coming together. Let's come take a look. Down here, this is relatively a vertical line, so we've got this plane coming in and to this plane, and but as soon as we start to come away over here, all of a sudden we're falling away, so we've got to slowly step this this block and kind of catch up to this other side over here. So what we did was we scribed the inside of this block up here to match what we had to do here. In woodworking, it's a compound miter, or sort of a complex cut that's scribed to the other thing. In stonework, it's just chiseling and a lot of labor. It's a lot of fun, but it really pays off when you take that extra little bit of time to show, get that contact, two planes facing each other, touching each other. And then every other little hole in there on the inside will fit our little chips in there, and nothing that you can pull out. But that's how we solve that problem. And you can see over on the other side how this is just a continuation of what we've been doing over here. This one coming away, just got to stitch this over. And these stones might look small on the face, but they're at least 3.5, 4 feet in depth going back into the wall. Pretty awesome. Thank you.